Ikis ki bathmai baro kidei nyo. South kita napo East Castles, La kita napo ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, R kita ki high risk, R kita ki ILI case, but La kita ki returnees. Khatsam apo West Garo Hills, Ndriu kita ki high risk, Nyo por ngila screening, but R kita ki returnees. East Garo Hills, Khandai baro kita ki high risk case. West Ribhai, Ndriu, some kita ki high risk, where they returning. West Giant Hills are where the Sari case, where they need screening. East Giant Hills are where the ILI case, but where they returning. Southwest Garo Hills, where they high risk. Southwest Khasi Hills, where they high risk. But South Garo Hills, where they health worker. The case ki belong active mental. Kilong 6,000 lai spa arpundri. Recover mental kasi kilong 6 spa khatlai. Prafu khandai ki na po East Khasi Hills, khatlai na po Ribhai, pra na po West Garo Hills, ar na po West Jaita Hills, but iway na po North Garo Hills. Iba na recover. Hado mental kasi kelum lang baro kilong 9,000 praspa khandai ko. Armut bangyo report ki bakhlap ki belong COVID positive. Mentakasi bangyo ki report but bakhlap baro kelum lang kilong prapnyo. People who have expired. Mr. Lal Bahadur Vaiba, 62 years, male, resident of 29 Cantonment Colony, Anjali Beat House, East Khasi Hills, passed away on 14th of October 2020 at 7:36 p.m. He was admitted in Supercare Hospital on 12th October 2020 at 2:09 p.m. And the cause of death given is acute respiratory distress syndrome, and he is COVID positive. Mr. Bellingstar Linkhoy, 45 years, male, resident of Langsemput, Mawsynram, East Khasi Hills, was admitted in Supercare Hospital on 18 October 2020 and was found to be COVID positive and expired on 28/10/2020 at 9:28 p.m. Cause of death is post-cholecystectomy status with cholelithiasis with cholangitis and sepsis with multi-organ failure. Baru akibat tes hadu mentakasi arbaji mensingi gilong arlap laispa kandai puai. Ibalong negatif gilong silak kandai puai hajar rapupra.